Yikes.
Pain in the ass.
What's up, guys? I'm Drug Shark, and this is my 68 Volkswagen Baja Bug. And today we're working on the shift coupler. Oh, that's awful. Let's get some better light. Yep, that's trashed. Alright, so it's not a 10, it's an 11. Go figure. Oh, but there's still something spinning over here. I'm gonna have to move you a smidge. There we go. Sucks. How do you get that out? Alright, let's try taking this one off first and see if that makes a difference. And an 8 works just great here. 8 is great. That is so great. Pain in the ass. Good. Okay, you can let go now. Doug. Oh, no, you didn't. I'll just set the alarm. You know, the weather says it's only 70-some degrees, but sure don't feel like 70-some degrees. It's humid as shit right now. Really? I need some pliers. That thing is not cooperating. And you are totally in the way. Really? Ha! Yeah, sorry about the noise. You know, I always got to do laundry whenever I'm working out here. Alright, so there's the old one. And it's all bent to shit. See? And yeah, I don't know what happened there. But the rubber's cracked and busted up, and looks like there was a ton of grease or something in there. I don't know what's up with that. But this looks way better. And we got threads on both ends. So, yeah. This over this. I got this one on eBay and it was like $8. Or $10 or something. It was cheap. But I'll tell you, I like how it looks right now. Of course, the important part will be the rubber. See how long that lasts. So, I imagine it can't be any worse than any of the empty ones. So that shit, just what even happened there? Or there? Am I really that strong that I did that? Probably not. That's probably how it came. Alright, let's go put this in. Alright, let's see. What size are you? Not 11. Oh yeah, found this pencil inside the tunnel. My trusty TRW ball peen hammer that I found in this car. And it's such an awesome hammer that I use it for everything. Alright, let's see what we did here. There we go. Ta-da! Mostly. Now we're in. Perfection. Alright, let's put the grub screw back in. Yeah, this wasn't that loose when I got the car, because one of the first things I did to this car was I put a quick shift kit on it. And it was rock solid. So I am thinking it's either the coupler from me, like I said, having to jam it into gears when the clutch pedal was bad, or it's the bushing up front. I did order a bushing too, but it's not going to be here until Tuesday. So I figured rather than wait and try to do both of them at once, I'll knock this one out and see how it goes. And if it's better, then I won't have to do the bushing up front. If it's not better, then I'll have the bushing ready to go. And yes, it's a metal aluminum shift, short shift kit. I don't understand why they make the plastic ones. How is plastic a viable option? Shit. Let's see if this will have to hold it. Oh, nope. Hey. Oh, no tinkle tinkle. That's a good sign. Alright. Let's see if I can wire wrap that, or safety wire that thing in. Not my best work, but it'll do. It's really awkward to get under here because this damn metal up here is in the way. But all I need to do is keep it from spinning, and I've done that. So there we go, new shift coupler. Yeah. That's what you do. Not the right screw, obviously, but it works, so whatever. There we go. All done. This was the screw that was holding it in before.